Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was shared on our website on Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, and now we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest insights. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by utilizing our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the capabilities of AI and receive complimentary price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has ranked VOO as a buy candidate, giving it a score of 2.85. Let's take a look at the ETF's performance during this period. The ETF has experienced a gain of 5.5%. This translates to an average return of 0.17% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned in the midst of a strong upward trend in the short term, suggesting further increases within this trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 17.06% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging between 12.65% and 19%. In terms of a longer-term perspective, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around 5.53%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 14.49% to positive 5.94% over the next year. This would place the future price somewhere between $490.16 and $607.27. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, Red Day on Friday for VOO. The VOO ETF price decreased by 0.36% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 11th of July, 2025, dropping from $575.29 to $573.22. During this trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 0.524%, with a day low of $571.38 and a day high of $574.38. Notably, the price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 1.61% over the past 2 weeks. Volume declined on the last day along with the ETF, which is actually a positive sign, as volume typically follows the ETF. On the last day, the trading volume decreased by 670,000 shares, with a total of 4 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $2.44 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $576.25, while the lowest price fell to $442.80. Currently, the price is 0.53%, or $3.03, below the 52-week high of $576.25, which also stands as the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 experienced a notable retreat from its recent record highs, registering a loss of 0.3% for the week, effectively ending a 2-week winning streak. This dip has raised concerns among investors regarding market sustainability, particularly as the index reacts to broader economic signals and geopolitical tensions. Adding to the volatility, President Trump's announcement of increased tariffs, including a significant 35% tariff on Canada, raised fears of escalating trade tensions and influenced market sentiment negatively. As a result, stocks have faced pressure, notably in technology sectors that are already grappling with valuation concerns. Conversely, there are still glimmers of opportunity. Analysts highlight 14 so-called safer dividend stocks within the S&P 500, projected to potentially deliver returns between 27% to 53% by mid-2026. These stocks demonstrate robust free cash flow and lower volatility, which may attract cautious investors looking to weather market fluctuations. Looking ahead, second quarter earnings could play a critical role in shaping market trajectories, particularly with significant investments in artificial intelligence from major tech companies poised to drive growth. Seasonality patterns suggest a potential market peak around mid-July, hinting at short-term volatility as the end of a bull run in early August approaches. In summary, VOO's price might face downward pressures in the short term due to tariff-induced market volatility and investor uncertainty. while strong fundamentals from select dividend stocks and upcoming earnings reports could support longer-term growth prospects. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the fund. Additionally, there's a general buy signal based on the relationship between the two averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be support from the lines at $572.53 and $554.80. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence-divergence indicator. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence short-term developments. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, July 10, 2025, and thus far, it has decreased by 0.36%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some additional signals that you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence-divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggested a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger presented a buy signal 6 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a buy signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 50 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 55 days ago. The long-term moving average signaled a buy signal 43 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 32 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. VOO finds support from accumulated volume at $554.95, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Overall, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. During the last day, the ETF fluctuated $3 between its high and low, which is approximately 0.524%. Over the past week, the ETF has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.664%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for VOO is at $573.61. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $554.95. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $553.29, representing a decline of 3.48%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily fluctuations, resulting in minimal risk. The 14-day relative strength index stands at 83, significantly increasing the risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 1 day ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for VOO ETF to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 14th of July, we anticipate VOO to open lower by 22.8 cents and start trading at $572.99. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.